Ready to ditch the document chaos and empower your clients with self-service signing? Let's jump right into creating a PowerForm in Docusign. First, navigate to the Templates tab within your Docusign account. Now, click on the Create Template button. This is where you'll upload the document you want signable. Upload your document, whether it's a PDF, Word doc, or anything similar that needs to be signed. Next, define the roles for the signers for a PowerForm. The most common role is typically client or customer, since they'll be initiating the signing process. Now, add the fields your recipient will need to fill out. Simply drag and drop the necessary fields like signature boxes, date fields, text boxes, and other relevant fields onto the document. Once your template is ready, go to Actions and choose Create Powerform. Give your PowerForm a descriptive name and make sure the status is set to active so that it can be used. Docusign will generate a unique URL for your PowerForm. Copy this URL and share it on your website, in an email, or wherever your clients can easily access it. Now, when a client clicks the link, they'll be able to fill out the form and sign it themselves, streamlining your workflow and saving you valuable time.